What's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we're going to be taking a look at a women's exclusive. This is the Nike Dunk Low Special Edition in the Easter candy color scheme. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check that join button out. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as some amazing merch items. So be sure to head on over to that website after this video is over. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the women's exclusive Easter candy dunks. So we're going to start off with the overview. Then we're going to talk about size and fit on these, followed by how much fun it was to style this awesome color scheme. And then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into the overview. All right, so let's look at the toe boxes here. So as you can see, these colors are not the same on each shoe. So we've got this nice kind of lavender color scheme on the right shoe and this nice pop of hot pink on the left shoe. Simple crisp white leather on the toe boxes, and then both have simplistic white laces, but they do have a subtle detail, which is the lace tip. So we've got lavender and lime on this side, and then we have a teal and pink on the lace tips on this side, which is really subtle, but I love it. It's kind of quirky and cute. For the eyelets, the colors are swapped as well. So we do have a blue color scheme on one side and a teal color scheme on the other. As far as the tongue goes, you'll notice as well, this color is switched up as well. So we've got teal here on the leather portion of the tongue, and then we've got lavender on this side. And both Nike logos are in black, and we've just got a crisp white nylon tongue, and the top of that tongue is highlighted in yellow on both sides of the shoe. Let's take a look at those details. All right, so moving on to the side panels, let's flip them actually to the both same sides so you can see that lavender swooshes on this one, teal swooshes on this one. Same underlay of white leather, but we do have different color schemes as well. This one has hot pink and lavender, while this one has a blue and pink that wraps around to the back. Both Nikes are on top of yellow dyed leather there. And let's swap to the insides of the shoe to see that the swooshes are the same matching color, just on the opposite. So we've got teal on this one again and lavender on this one. The insoles are both in a kind of brownish tone with a Nike logo in white, and both outsoles are in this really cool, almost kind of reminds me of just splattered paint, but reminds me also kind of the Space Hippies, but it's splattered on top of yellow for that outsole and a simplistic white midsole. Let's take a look at those final details. All right, so moving into size and fit. Again, this was a woman's exclusive shoe, so I am a true woman's size 9. I would say stick true to size on this one. As far as my foot shape goes, I do have high arch and narrow feet, so if you do have wider feet that are flat, this could differentiate a size that works better for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. So this was just a really fun, kind of quirky styling section, just because I got to play with some really fun colors. I really wanted to pull from the lavender accents in a few of the looks. So for the first one, I decided to just wear a nice ribbed sweater in this light lavender colorway. I wanted to bring some patterns in the mix with multicolors and multi-dimension in that skirt. So the skirt was definitely patterned with lots of different vibrant colors that I think pulled quite nicely from this shoe.
Can't believe I found you, baby, come alive. Loving you like we're dancing in moonlight. Wanna waste our time, wanna waste our time in the moonlight. Wrap me up all night, wrap me up all night in the moonlight. Wanna waste our time, wanna waste our time in the moonlight. Wrap me up all night, wrap me up all night in the moonlight.
For the second look, I decided to go all purple, and I wore a button-down denim jacket in a light lavender colorway with some really cool faux leather pants, and it was in a bold purple color scheme with my Calvin Klein Kith sports bra underneath and another kind of variation of purple as well.
You look so good, it hurts my soul. No, I can't deny the way you pull it. Ooh, moonlight. Ooh, moonlight. Can't believe I found you, baby, come alive. Loving you like.
All right, so for the last and final look, I wanted to mix it up color-wise since I went with a lot of purple for the first two looks. This last look, I decided to pull from the bright yellow in the accents throughout the shoe with my t-shirt that was cropped, had a cute little smiley face on there, and I paired that with some simple gray sweatpants.
Dancing in moonlight. Look at what you did, I'm slipping on it. Yeah, I'm all in, I must admit it. Ooh, moonlight. Ooh, moonlight. Can't believe I found you, baby, come alive. Loving you like.
You let me know out of the three looks, what was your favorite out of the three, or how would you style these shoes?
All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my
All right, now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed for $110, and shockingly, I would say larger sizes are doing incredibly well. On the lower end, these are starting at $130, but they are going up into the $300s if you are in that larger size range. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Leave any comments or questions down below. Check out that join button because we have some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. That's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next one.